How about Muscata? How about my guy? I can't ever have a fresh. Muscata Muramuna. I can't be back on it.
Because we all know on social media, everyone all over the world. We have a Ladipo market in Mushi local government. Ebendi bona azua here. Ndami bianima here. Na Panamosina ha go engine for since last year. We be ke change engine ha go last year. Bidobobe egbe na what to see umu Igbo. What to see umu Igbo ni ma here. Magana China Biafra. We go to Piaru omu. An mejebo bariade. An mejebo bariade. Avia was scattered. Biko kere. Yeah, so I want to just remember which. Which cover. When you are in the Fulani, in the Janjaweed. Sinaba China Biafra. Now you are 2 young boys. You are a metata 13th July 2021. Aquacuna Fuo. Because Ebo Neno Moanine, see a message here. Fulani meet a battlefield in a short time. In a short time. And when I met, I know Zukoro why here. Hanakwara government, not church. I said, Chichi, ever in Azukwa here. Tata, I don't know why Chuko Kadam in the Sikuya. We will put Piaru Mu. Boskata with the 4 other people. And we are okay, Rugokwe. Only Wabuna Sina Nabiavra di Yamma. Niana Mama Sia. No, in see me, Bruce Abotua. Fulani Amakwa, Ndebo Biafra, Okwa Habia, Ebubo Yobuna. This is a time for you and me to wake up and fight for our children. Asimna, Ogua, come Biafra, Ma Uchokoya, 2 years, the other. Thank you very much.